about what they just released last night. The loyalty cards are now being sold. The database lists are being sold to insurance companies from the pharmacies, so that the insurance companies can tell the medicine that you are taking. Not only are they then using that list to mail you information about like drugs or some other drug that is similar, but they are also using that information to adjust insurance rates for the first time. And so there's an example. Pharmacies that are given your personal information should be held accountable to securing and not using that information for any secondary purpose. And until we hold them accountable, we are going to have these breaches over and over for these very reasons. They're not trained, there are no standards, they're not holding to the standards of information, privacy, or security. And we need to take a stronger stand as individuals on that. Other questions or comments?
That's why I get all my cards in Chris's name.
Oh, I have mine in several names. Loyalty cards, the name and addresses tend not to match anything recognizable to me.
You can also just point blank say, I'm not giving you any of this personal information and I expect to get the same discounts. And they will give you a card with no information being given and you will get the discount. But you've got to stand up to it.
They can then link it to your credit card information as soon as you use one.
If you use a credit card. I use cash, actually.
Anybody else?
Any comments or questions? All right.
There are some handouts on the way out that you may want to pick up.
There's a few copies of a few of the incidents and a few copies of the instrument itself, if any of you are interested in the incident.
Let's thank Dr. Rezmierski.
Thanks for your time.